Are you a massive K-drama fan, but still only know how to say Annyeonghaseyo? Don't get me wrong, it's a great start, but what if I told you there? It's a whole world of greetings that will make you sound way more like a native speaker and less like a tourist. Using Annyeonghaseyo for every single situation is like only knowing how to say hello in English. It works, but it's not always the best fit. You wouldn't say hello to your best friend the same way do you greet your boss, right? Korean is the same. It's all about context and relationship. Stick around because today we re-diving into 10 essential Korean greetings that will take your Korean skills to the next level and help you connect with people in a much more natural way. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say, whether you're meeting a friend, a senior, or even just popping into a store. First up, let's talk about meeting friends your age or younger. Instead of the formal Annyeonghaseyo, you can simply say Annyeong. It's the casual, friendly equivalent of hi or hey. It's short, sweet, and perfect for informal settings. Imagine you're meeting your friend for coffee. As you walk in, a simple, cheerful Annyeong is all you need, but be careful. You wouldn't use this with someone much older than you or in a professional setting, as it could be seen as too informal. Next, what if you're the one arriving? A super common and polite phrase is jumuseyo, which literally means I came well or I've arrived. It might sound a bit strange in English, but it's a very thoughtful way to announce your presence, especially when entering someone's home or joining a gathering. It shows respect to those who are already there. So next time you're late to a study group, you can say Eoseo Annyeonghaseyo jo, which means sorry I'm late, I'm here now. Now let's flip it. What if someone arrives to meet you? A warm and welcoming greeting is oseyo, meaning welcome or come on in. You'll hear this constantly in shops, restaurants, and when you visit someone's house. It's incredibly inviting. The next phrase, jumuseyo, is the Korean way of asking, how are you? Or more literally, are you living well? It's a bit more formal and sincere than just a quick what's up. It's great to use with acquaintances or people you haven't seen in a while. Speaking of not seeing someone for a while, if you run into a friend after a long time, you can exclaim, Orenmanida. This is the casual way to say, long time no see. For a more formal situation, you would say, Orenmanida. It perfectly captures that feeling of surprise and happiness when reconnecting with someone from your past. Let's move on to specific times of the day. While Annyeonghaseyo works anytime, you can be more specific. Jun Achim means good morning. It's a direct and pleasant way to start the day. You might not hear it as often as Annyeonghaseyo, but it's perfectly understood and adds a nice touch. Similarly, when you're leaving work or a gathering in the evening, you can say Annyeonghi jumuseyo to someone who is going to bed, which means sleep peacefully or good night. When you're leaving a place, what should you say? If you're the one leaving and others are staying, you say Annyeonghaseyo. It literally means stay in peace. But if you're the one staying and others are leaving, you say Annyeonghaseyo, which means go in peace. This is one of the trickiest for beginners, but it's crucial for showing politeness. Just remember, gaseyo for staying, gaseyo for going. Finally, a phrase you'll hear in every K-drama restaurant scene, Eoseo, oseyo. We touched on this, but it's worth repeating because it's so common. It means, welcome, come in quickly, and is the standard greeting for any business owner to a customer. It's energetic and welcoming. And our 10th phrase is a bonus for all you foodies. When you're about to eat, especially with others, it's polite to say, Annyeonghaseyo. This translates to, I will eat well, and it's a way of thanking the person who prepared the meal or is treating you. It shows appreciation and anticipation for the delicious food. So there you have it. 10 essential greetings that go beyond Annyeonghaseyo. Mastering these will not only improve your Korean, but also your understanding of the culture. Which of these phrases have you heard most in K-dramas? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the Korean language. See you next time.